Hi, welcome to Tilly's Home Techniques. Today we are going to learn another thing, and it's about how to fix a button on a clothes. We have various kinds of clothes on which you can fix your buttons depending on the type of opening. And today we are going to learn how to fix a button on a normal dress, but today I'm going to fix buttons on a cassock. Cassock is a pastor's wear. Pastors, reverend ministers wear cassock. So this is the cassock, and we are going to fix the button from the top downwards. So this is the opening of the cassock. This is the opening. These are the button holes. So we are going to fix the button such that it will match with the button holes. Then after that, we'll iron it. Now, we'll start. First of all, you have to iron the opening such that it will be flat enough. Then there will be no shifting. So, we'll turn on our iron. Wait for it to be hot. Then, we'll iron it gently. So now you see it's flat, no heels anywhere. You turn the front side, that's the right side, then you iron that as well, so that everything will be in place. It will fall in place, and then after fixing the button, there will be no shifting of extra fabric. Good. Now you see, we have a very nice surface on which we're going to fix our buttons. I've started with the first three, so we're going to continue. First of all, you have to fix the thread into the needle. So this is it. Then you cut the extra, you make a knot at the end, and then you cut the extra fabric. This is our needle. We're going to use a white thread. If you use any other colored, for example, this cassock has red colors. If you are going to use a colored thread to fix your buttons, you have to be very careful, because most of the colored threads the colors are not fast, so they run out as soon as you dip in water, and then it will stain the fabric. So we're going to use a white thread instead. It's an advice to you. You choose whichever one you want. So these are the buttons we're going to fix. There are about 22 of them. First of all, I don't want the back side to be messed up, so I will start from the front. You fix it in there, you bring it out, and then you fix your buttons like that. It's very hard, so you just find a way of pushing it through it. Now it's inside, so you bring it, and then you push it into the fabric again. But you make sure it's holding the back side, so that afterwards it will not come to the front. So this is it. You push, you pull it out, then you fix it inside again. Make sure it comes out. Push it out. Now be careful the needle doesn't hurt you. So you pull it, you fix it in the fabric again. Push it through the button once more. Bring it out. Now it's firm, but we have to fasten it such that it won't come off. So we'll wind the thread around the buttons like 3 times. Then you make a knot. See that? That's it. You wind, you go around again once more, then you make another knot. Good. See, you are good to go. So you take your scissors, then you cut the rest of the thread. You make another knot at the end of the thread. You go to the next one. I have marked the areas where I'm going to fix the buttons already. So my duty now is just to be fixing the button. So let's move to the next one. It's hard pushing through because it's not a normal button. So you push it hard. Let's come. Good. Push it through the fabric, bring it out. The others are already fixed, so they are trying to interrupt. Push it inside again. So we're going to do that for all the others. I'm going to tie, make a knot. Like that. There are extra threads, so cut. Good. We have fixed our button. We are good to go. We now have 4 buttons fixed already. We have others to fix more. These are the buttons, so you continue. You do the same thing, you follow the same step till you finish fixing the button. Wow! Look at it. Is it not looking so beautiful? It's been buttoned from the top to the waist, and from the waist it's been left open. Just look at it. Have a good look. Very beautiful. Viewers, thanks so much for watching our videos. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned a very great lesson. We hope to meet you in our next video. This is Tilly's Home Techniques. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.